Let's see, how am I going to do this? Oh. Well, I planned on going over my first trainer, or definitely not a trainer. Let's start off with this is my case. Lovely thing. I have, in terms of what I own, I have of course, my Superfly, main one I've shown. Just set that there for a minute. Got a Titanium Zenith. It's a trainer. Really weird. It's got a crowned back of the blade, but like a 45-degree edge. It's like a bite handle or a blade indicator, I guess you'd say. Sounds pretty good. This one sounds great too. I have this little thing. This is a Fulp, specifically a Teflon Fulp. It's got the 360 converter on it. This thing's fun. I flip this at school. It's the only one I'm allowed to flip at school. It's also very weird because you can't do many tricks on it. Pretty fun though, nonetheless. Neat little thing. This was what I started on. Little Bear and Son live blade balisong. Here's a size comparison to my Superfly. Yeah. This was a struggle to learn on. But I can still do quite a lot on it. Let's see if I can not get a chaplain on this because it does not have the weight for a chaplain. Can I? Oh, that was not what I was. The latch is a pain. Oh. I kid you not, when I first got this thing, I sat on my couch for like a week just trying to learn the basic opening. Was a fun ride at 12 years old. This is technically this isn't my newest balisong. This is. But this is my nicest by far. And I can do a decent bit on this. Well, I'd say at least. Let me see if I can get down the. That is not something I do with that live blade. Oh. Trying to get it. Third time's a try. Or charm, whatever. Sorta. We're just gonna roll with it. Y'all get the point. I learned this lately. So I mentioned a spine grab, a way to get to a spine grab that I kind of just figured out. Quite literally, it's just don't know if you saw that, but it's relatively nice. trying to think, like the distance in time between when I got this and when I got like a proper nice trainer. I think what happened was I got this, and my friend was kind of getting into the hobby, and he had these two like knockoff Bear and Son trainers, or not Bear and Son, Benchmade, which they were clearly not Benchmade, that he had, and he gave me one, and I was messing around with that quite a bit. And I think after that, the first one I got was this, and I kind of grew apart from this because it's got very boxy handles. Decent beginner balisong, but I definitely say there's better things for the price. Plus that symmetrical blade shape kind of screws you up. Every once in a while I find myself chaplaining on the wrong handle, and it's not fun. Yeah, that's my collection. That's my first balisong. Neat little thing that it is. I'll say it is janky. Runs on tang pins, and it's got, I believe, cast steel handles that are channel, and that horrible latch that often smacks the hell out of the blade. But it's got its charm to it. Oh, wait, did I mention the pins? Those aren't adjustable. Awful. Very fun nonetheless, though. Here's a star. And hey, it's something that my dad bought me on a whim, and it got me to having this, which I hold so dear. Love this thing. Would not regret, or would have pulled the trigger on buying this 100 times over. It's very fun. Crazy. But yeah, that will be all.